but near India's Siachen sector. China is building something that has made military planners sit up. High in the Himalayas, where oxygen is scarce and survival itself is a battle. Movement has been detected, not of troops, but of terrain. A road quietly carved into one of the most sensitive regions on earth. No announcements, no flags, just asphalt, machinery, and intent. This is not about construction, this is about strategy. Siachen is not just another border area, it is the world's highest battlefield, located in the eastern Karakoram region at altitudes exceeding 20,000 feet. Temperatures here can drop below minus 50 degrees Celsius. More soldiers have died here from weather than from bullets. India controls the Siachen Glacier, a strategic wedge between Pakistan controlled territory to the west and China controlled Aksai Chin to the east. This position prevents a physical link up between Pakistan and China in this region. That makes Siachen a pressure point and a prize. The reports now suggest that China is developing road infrastructure close to this sensitive zone, raising concerns in Indian security circles about long term intentions rather than immediate confrontation. A road in the Himalayas is never just a road. At these altitudes, building infrastructure is slow, expensive, and extremely difficult. Every kilometer constructed represents planning, persistence, and purpose. Military roads change everything: speed, logistics, and response time. China has demonstrated this strategy before. In eastern Ladakh, extensive road and airstrip construction preceded the 2020 standoff. Infrastructure enables presence, and presence reshapes power on the ground. For India, Siachen is not negotiable. Holding the glacier denies adversaries a geographic advantage and protects access routes into Ladakh. Any shift in the balance, even incremental, could alter the security equation across the entire northern frontier. Indian military doctrine has increasingly focused on infrastructure parity. Over the past few years, India has accelerated road, bridge, and tunnel projects along its northern borders. This is not escalation, it is preparation. The concern is not an immediate clash, but a slow squeeze, a future where response times shorten for one side while remaining constant for the other. In high altitude warfare, minutes matter. Roads create minutes. China's approach to borders is rarely dramatic, it is incremental. Build first, normalize later. Establish facts quietly. Respond loudly only if challenged. This method allows strategic advantage while maintaining diplomatic ambiguity. Officially, nothing has changed. Practically, everything might. By improving connectivity near sensitive zones, China gains options: military, diplomatic, and psychological. Even if never used, the capability itself alters calculations in New Delhi. It is deterrence through development. This development does not exist in isolation. India already faces unresolved tensions along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh. Disengagement talks continue, but trust remains thin. Pakistan remains hostile along the line of control, even when ceasefires hold. And to this, deepening China-Pakistan strategic partnership and Siachen's importance becomes clearer. Geography here links multiple fault lines. Globally, major powers are watching how borders are tested without open conflict. Roads, ports, cables, and runways have become the new instrument of competition. The battlefield is quieter, but no less serious. India has not responded with rhetoric, it has responded with readiness. Enhanced surveillance, satellite monitoring, and infrastructure upgrades are already part of India's border management strategy. The Indian Army's posture in Siachen remains firm, experienced, and acclimatized. Diplomatically, India continues to engage China through military and political channels, emphasizing peace and stability while clearly signaling red lines. The message is measured but unmistakable. Infrastructure will not translate into intimidation. The road near Siachen may never carry a tank. It may never see a convoy. It may remain just a strip of concrete in frozen silence. But strategy is not about what happens today. It is about what becomes possible tomorrow. This episode reflects a broader truth about modern geopolitics. Borders are no longer tested only by soldiers. They are tested by surveys, satellites, bulldozers, and patience. For India, vigilance, not panic, is the response. For the region, stability depends on restraint. And for the world, Siachen is a reminder that even the coldest places can heat up quietly. In the Himalayas, silence is never empty. Sometimes it's the sound of strategy being laid, one road at a time. Where many news channels are caught up in noise and agendas, Sutra Network stands firmly with facts and truth. We don't chase sensationalism, we show reality. If you believe in honest journalism, join us for truth, for change. And if you have a story that needs to reach the people, click the link below and share it with us. For more information, read our article on this. Link is mentioned in the description.